Watch and learn, and don't get burned.
With the two dudes.
Oh, what am I doing? Checking out this anchor right here in the tree that belongs on a boat. We don't have a boat, but there is a dog next door. Doesn't matter. What are we making? Tostadas De Jamon. Ham tostadas. They're delicious for this hot day. It's a great recipe. It's my mom's recipe. It's very cheap to make, very fast to make. You know, if you're on the go and, well, you know what? I'll take that back. If you don't want the refried beans, then it's simple to make. If you have refried beans already, then it's simple to make. If you don't, the only thing that's going to take time is those beans. But watch and learn, and don't get burned. Now, we're going to start by cutting our lettuce. We're going to thinly shred it and chop it all up. And as soon as we're done, we're going to wash it. Now for our tomatoes. We are going to cut the ends off and we are going to throw them away. Now, we're going to cut these tomatoes just like this in half because we're going to put these in the blender for our salsa, our special salsa. Now for our avocado. Let's cut this thing in half and hopefully we get a good one. You know, sometimes they come a little brown, but we'll find out right now. Oh boy, yep, that's what we're looking for. Let's grab this spoon and take the avocado out. As soon as we're done with that, we're gonna take the pit off the other one and do the same thing. And then we're gonna start chopping it up into quarter squares or even smaller. Honestly, the smaller the better, but you know, that's all up to you and how you want your consistency with these. You'll see why. Now we're gonna throw our tomatoes into our blender or smoothie maker, whatever you wanna call it. It's a smaller one, it's better for salsas. And for this step, it's self-explanatory, but you wanna basically puree this thing till there's no more tomato, not a chunk, nothing, just straight puree, almost liquid. Now, we're gonna use some jalapenos and vinegar and carrots. We have these in a separate container, but you can buy these at the store, any brand you want. We're gonna add the jalapenos right into our puree. We're also gonna add the vinegar from the jalapeno juice into our blender. Now, this is all up to you how much you wanna add. You can start with maybe half a cup, maybe no, like 2 ounces, and then just taste it as you go, and again, it's to your liking. Now we're just gonna pulsate our jalapenos. We don't wanna break them all up or puree them. So just be careful. Oh, and add salt. Now for our refried beans, we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. You can add olive oil or vegetable oil, all on you. Be generous with it because, you know, we're gonna refry some beans. Now we're gonna add our onions and then we're gonna start stirring everything up. Now, we wanna make sure our onions are nice and translucent and fried before we add our beans. Remember, they can be a little fried. That's what's gonna give it that flavor. Now, as you see, these onions are pretty much fried. So what we're gonna do next is lower our heat to low and then add in our beans. The reason we're doing that is you don't want that bean juice all over you, plus that oil to burn the living shit out of you. Excuse my language. And there you go. Now, we're gonna put up our heat back up to high or medium high. We want these beans to boil. Once they're at a boil, then we're gonna start smashing them up. Now we're gonna bring the heat down to about a medium low or medium high, about a medium low on our pan. And now we're gonna start smashing these babies up. Now we're at the end of the race line. You can leave these beans chunky or smash them up till they're pretty much just mud. It all depends on how you like them. And you see how now most of the water's evaporated and it's just, this is the consistency you're looking for. And again, you like a little more runny, that's on you. Now time to make these tostadas. I'm gonna grab my tostada right here and I'm gonna start putting my sour cream, Mexican sour cream. Again, you know, some people put the beans first, then the sour cream. Some people put the beans, the ham, then the sour cream. I like to put my sour cream, then my ham. Now, this ham is from Costco. I got a nice big chunk of it and cut it in half. And so technically I'm using 2 pieces, but since they're cut in half, it looks like 4. Check that out. Now I'm gonna add my beans, my refried beans. Look at that. Those things came out really nice. Again, you can put as much and as less as you want. It's all on you how you like it. Now, time to put that sauce. That little sauce we made, the little special sauce I told you about. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Just watch me taste it. It's fuego. Mucho lumbre. Now for our Mexican cheese. And again, all this is however you want it. I'm not gonna put lettuce on mine because I don't really like putting lettuce. Some people do, my wife loves it, I don't. So check that out, enjoy. And this is the way my wife likes it. Just with lettuce. Other than that, it's no different than the way I eat it. Delicious. And this is the way my son likes them. Just with beans. Poor kid. And we're back.
Yeah.
We have our tostadas already made. Just like Mama used to make them. They do just exactly like my mom's. No, you're wrong. Mama's right. Well, it was a simple dish. Very delicious. And I hope you guys make it. Comment, subscribe, hit that like button. Tell your mama, your daddy,
If you don't, they're not.
your neighbors. That what?
If you don't hit the like button, subscribe, it's not gonna come out very good.
Yeah, if you try to make it without subscribing, it's gonna taste like shit. No, I'm just playing. Well, that's it for today. So you watch, you learn, and you didn't get burned.